Okay, so you're thinking about possibly aerating this spring, maybe doing some seed, and you didn't get to do it last fall. You want your lawn to look the best as possible throughout the season. So maybe before you put some fertilizer down, you want to think you might need to aerate, but there might be a reason where you may not need to. So depending on the type of soil you have and how soft your ground is in certain areas, best way to check if it even needs it is two different options. Well, I have this gardening tool, or if you don't have that, any household screwdriver, nice flathead will do. You can kind of test the ground to see if you really even need to. So check it out. See how easy that was? That means the ground is extremely soft. We haven't had any kind of rains or anything like that. We did have some snow, a little bit of light snow recently, but just kind of wanted to show you that you may not even need to do it. So you want to check different areas of the lawn to make sure, but I checked this entire yard and it's looking pretty good. So a lot of soft areas, I don't think it even needs it. I checked the front lawn too, but this area here, I definitely did want to aerate a little bit because it's a lower area. And before I put some sand down or, leveling sand or soil, whatever I'm gonna do, I did aerate this pretty good because last year it got a ton of water. So I wanted to prevent that this season before all the heavy spring rains come. So as you can see, with all the holes, I did do a lot of this by hand. And I'll show you how I did that here. Pretty easily, with a little bit of labor, of course, but with the ground being as soft as it is, it didn't really take too much effort. So what I found this telescopic hole. You can see it pulls apart, so you can kind of adjust it to your height, and then you just jam it in the ground. Look how easy that is. Quick and easy to get a whole bunch of holes in there. Obviously, I'm not doing the entire lawn because that would be stupid, but this is probably about 500 square feet that I've been doing. I mean, look at that. It's super easy. If you have nothing else, of course, and you just need a small area to do, I mean, why not? Right? So, I mean, it doesn't take that long, a few minutes at a time if you really want to, but that's it. So that's how you can tell if you really need to aerate your lawn. Just use a screwdriver, guys. Make it super simple and easy. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.